Hello everyone, welcome to Radiopedia 5. Today our topic is fistulogram or sinogram. Article on this video. What is fistulogram or sinogram? Causes of fistula. What is anal fistula? Symptoms of anal fistula. Diagnosis of anal fistula. Fistulogram procedure. And in last, cases and figures. A fistulogram is a X-ray procedure used to view a fistula. Fistula is an abnormal passage between two or more anatomic spaces or organs, or a pathway that leads from an internal cavity or organ to the surface of the body. A sinogram is a similar procedure done to assess a sinus. Sinus is an abnormal passage or cavity that originates or ends in one opening, often on the skin. Contrast medium is used to help identify the start of the fistula sinus, its pathway, and what organs are involved. Causes of fistula. Fistulas are usually caused by injury or surgery. They may also form after an infection has led to severe inflammation. Inflammatory bowel conditions such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are examples of conditions that lead to fistulas forming. For example, between two loops of intestine. What is anal fistula? An anus is the outside opening through which feces are removed from the body. Simply inside the anus are various little organs. If one of these get to be distinctly obstructed, an abscess, an infected cavity may be formed. The anal abscess is typically treated by surgical drainage. However, some drain by itself. Around half of these abscesses may convert into a fistula, in which a little passage interfaces the infected organ inside the anus to an opening on the skin around the anus. This is common disease in our society. People suffering from the anal fistula feel very painful. It disease cause discomfort and some also irritating symptoms in the patient. The anal fistula patient do not become well by itself. In most of the cases, surgery is recommended by the physicians. Symptoms of anal fistula. Following are the symptoms of the anal fistula: sensation of the skin irritation around the anus, a temporary vibrating pain that may be worse when you sit down, move around, have a bowel movement or cough. Smelly discharge from near your anus, passing pus or blood when you get toilet, swelling and redness around your anus and a high temperature. If you also have an abscess, difficulty controlling bowel movement in some cases. Diagnosis of anal fistula. As a rule, a clinical assessment including an advanced rectal examination is adequate to analyze a anal centric fistula. Yet a few patients may require extra tests to screen for sexually transmitted infections, inflammatory bowel disease, diverticular disease, rectal cancer. In uncommon cases, an examination might be done under anesthesia. The specialist may likewise mastermind or ultrasound, a CT examine or a MRI to be done. A water-soluble contrast medium must be used unless there is any suspicion of a connection with the pleural cavity, in which case dinosil aqueous is a safe alternative. A preliminary film is taken to exclude the presence of a radiopaque foreign body. A fine catheter is then inserted into the orifice of the sinus, next to which a metal marker has been placed. After a gauze pad has been firmly placed over the orifice to discourage reflex, the contrast medium is injected under fluoroscopic control. Spot films are taken as required. Usually AP and lateral projections are taken routinely.